And this is
Monkey.D.Luffy.
Monkey.D.Luffy.
From One Piece.
From One Piece. Okay. He's part of a series or a volume.
He's part of...
This is volume 1. See at the bottom?
Oh.
Volume 1. So he's from the very beginning. This one is the very beginning.
Yeah, he's the main character.
No, I'm saying they have different volumes, huh? So he's the one of the original?
Yeah. He's original. He's the first ever character.
The main character?
Yeah. So if you watch the anime, then you'll see him. He's the first one.
Try not to mess the box up. Oh, let me see. I have to try to pull it.
Oh, no.
Because if this is something you're going to collect, you got to try to keep the box in good condition. There you go. Nice.
Okay.
Whoa, it has a stand?
Oh, it has a stand.
Oh, wait, you got to put them together? Wow, his head is over here. Wait, pick it up and turn it this way because it's upside down. His head is over there and his body's over there and he got a stand. Okay. It's a 3-piece. I'm gonna cut it. It's 3 pieces, so you gotta cut the other side, the bottom. Just cut across the bottom, maybe. Yeah.
And then first it goes on that.
Wow.
Wait.
It look like he got 2 left feet, huh? Does it go in there? Oh, yeah, they fit in there. You gotta line it up. There you go.
Oh, it goes this way.
Specific way and everything, huh? Oh, all right. Nice.
Oh,
Merry Christmas.
there we go.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Gary just opened all his gifts.